我奉獻我收入嘅1/10，銀行利息同埋股票交易收益都係。
耶穌冇講要奉獻1/10。
耶穌只係提過2次11奉獻。第一次係佢喺法利賽人屋企食飯時，第二次係佢騎驢駒入耶路撒冷之後。當時文士同法利賽人奉獻各樣香草1/10，就唔理律法入邊更重要嘅事。耶穌告誡佢哋講：文士同法利賽人偽善嘅人，你哋有禍啦！你哋奉獻薄荷、茴香、芹菜1/10，就忽略律法上更重要嘅事，公義、憐憫、信心呢啲你哋應該做，其餘忽略咗冇做嘅亦應該做。之後耶穌提過1次奉獻俾上帝。當時耶穌坐喺聖殿銀庫嘅對面，睇下啲人點樣投錢入庫，見到好多有錢人投咗好多錢，又見一個窮寡婦投咗2個小錢。耶穌同門徒講：我實在話俾你哋聽，呢個窮寡婦投入嘅比其他所有人都多，因為佢哋都係將自己多餘嘅奉獻俾上帝。但係呢個窮寡婦係自己不足，將佢一切賴以為生嘅都投咗入去。耶穌關心嘅唔係錢，而係關心寡婦不足嘅處境，同見到佢嘅信心。
God is all I have. I have all I need.
11奉獻係嚟自舊約聖經。以色列人嘅祖先雅各走難去到伯特利，佢夢見耶和華企喺梯上邊，佢嘅天使上上落落，呢度係上帝天堂嘅門喺嗰度。佢清早起身同上帝發誓講：如果上帝與我同在，喺路上保佑我，俾我有嘢食有衫着，我可以平安返到父親屋企。咁耶和華就係我嘅上帝，你賜俾我嘅，我一定將1/10獻俾你。到咗摩西就寫入以色列嘅律法，係以色列人交嘅11稅。耶穌傳道嗰3年半，冇吩咐基督徒要交任何奉獻，佢只係2次提過11奉獻，1次提過奉獻俾上帝。喺英皇鑒定本聖經有28段經文係耶穌講信心。耶穌喺19個場合講信心。最後嗰次係響最後晚餐同彼得講
I have prayed for you, that your faith may not fail, and you, when once you have turned again, strengthen your brothers.
Lord, with you I am ready to go both to prison and to death.
彼得會失去信心，話唔識耶穌。
I say to you, Peter, the rooster will not crow today until you have denied 3 times that you know me.
耶穌冇講基督徒要奉獻錢，
Come to
而係
me,
要
all
堅
you
固
who
對
are
佢嘅
weary
信
and
心，
burdened,
依
and I
靠
will
耶
give you
穌。
rest.